Hello guys, it is me, Jericho, and today we're going to be playing some Clash Royale. You guys are wondering, where's my Rocket League content? It is going to be coming out soon. I just feel like my graphics are not like the best, and I would have to like work on editing more. But today we're going to be playing Clash Royale. So right now, I'm 3,190 arena trophies. It's gonna load into this is my deck. These are 4 my decks. You got this one, this one, this one, and this deck right here. So yeah, let's get into it. Good luck. Guys, don't judge me for the plays I'm about to make. I'm not gonna make good episodes. Here we go. He does that play. Okay. Interesting.
Yay.
Here we go, we got that. What am I doing? It takes so long to do that. Oh, nice. Wow, he's using that. I don't think it's that good because it doesn't have like a lot of health, or I'm not sure. Wow. Oh, is that no way. Is that real wizard? See that? No way. Is that hero wizard? I'm predicting that he's gonna put skellies. It's Valkyrie. We're going to put points in the back. Okay. Archers. We're gonna take a lot of damage here, but it's fine. I made so many mistakes this game, that's all. That is Evo Wizard? Okay. How do I unlock that? Okay. Where'd he go? I'll probably click here. This game, GG. This is gonna get probably nice. I don't think I'm gonna come back to it. I could, but I don't feel like it. GG's, man. This guy's cracked. He's really good. Though you can unlock heroes somewhere. Where do I have that? What is this? Stuff I got slamming like that. Where do I go? Do I go here? I think I go here. No, where do I find it at? I found it somewhere, I just forgot. Yeah, I found it somewhere, but can't find it anywhere. Where do I find it to where I can just like unlock? What is it called? Unlock new heroes. There we go. Wizard. Oh my god, yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. In Wizard's the best one in here. It's either Knight or Wizard. I'm giving this hero Wizard. Wizard's just too
Time to show some true magic. Watch close.
Oh, no way I just got hero Wizard. He's gonna be so broken. No, I don't have a... Oh, I do. Oh, I'm so lucky. I'm actually lucky. Today is my lucky day.
Showtime, baby.
What does he do?
Ooh. Nailed it, huh? Fluffy arrives.
I don't know. Let's
Fluffy arrives.
Okay.
Witness true magic.
What level is... Oh, he's level 9 still? Okay, we're not up there, baby. Let's just test it out. Let's just see what Hero Wizard does. Let's see how good it is. He's gonna be so broken for, like, ground plays. Unless they're in a group. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter. But I guess you're stronger, so you can make it go in the air. I would like to put archers, but I don't think I can right now. We're gonna put Prince in the back. Okay, come on, man. You got this. That's it. Yep. Nice. Okay. Let's see if this works. Oh, that is overpowered. Oh, it's not the worst. I just feel like he's so hard to use, and I feel like he's not like worth it. It's like I'm wasting elixir, and I just goes back down a bit. Goes back down too quick. So one elixir, I'm not sure. I mean, it might be worth it. Got cannon. Oh wow. Doing a 10 elixir play. Did not mean to put that down, but okay. What am I doing? Wait, he could lose actually. No. So far, Genghis taken. Yes, we did a lot of tower damage. Wait, we can make a comeback. Good game, man. That's fine. Yeah, this guy's good. I just need to focus more. I'm like too bad. Like I'm making too bad of plays. Like in the same time frame. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, that was good. We'll start off with 2 games for now. Yeah, let me know, or let me know what you guys think in the comments about this video. If it was good or bad, leave likes.